Stop scrolling. This is the real reason cabins don't explode at 35,000 feet.
Jet doors are plug type. Higher cabin pressure pins them shut tighter the higher you fly.
The real danger? Rapid depressurization from structural failure. Pressure rushes out, not in.
You have about 15-30 seconds of useful consciousness at cruise masks. Buy time till descent.
Cabins equalize to a lower cabin altitude, so your lungs don't work overtime while cruising high. Design redundancy. Multiple pressure vessels, sensors, and automatic pack control keep levels stable. So what pulls you? It's physics. Pressure differential creating wind toward the breach, not a vacuum.
If this made sense, watch the one about why crosswind landings look sideways.